so much fun here celebrating the amazingness of the Nollywood industry at the Bond Awards 2023. Congratulations to all the winners and the nominees as well. A huge thank you to Hypo Bleach for sponsoring this amazing event. Do you know about Hypo Bleach?
Hypo go Hypo.
Oh, another one. Oh. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you hear hypo?
Purity.
Cleaner, but pure.
His Excellency, sir, welcome to Bond Awards 2023.
Present the award for the best short film. The winner is Hypo.
So when you put Hypo Bleach and white together, what's the result you get?
Hypo Bleach and white, extra white.
Super white.
Super. On point.
Hypo white.
Hypo white. Fantastic. Have fun.
I've heard of Hypo a whole lot. Yeah.
What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about Hypo?
We use it in getting our clothes whiter, sparkling white.
Thank you so much. And what does white symbolize to you?
Peace and beauty.
Peace and beauty. Fantastic. Do you use Hypo Bleach?
Of course I do.
What's your advice to people that use white when there is Hypo Bleach?
There's no other thing that cleans better than Hypo.
They deliver.
Ego Hypo.
Ego.
Yes, I know Hypo Bleach.
When you think about Hypo Bleach, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Hypo go Hypo.
Hypo. Oh my God. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about Hypo?
Cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Beautiful.
I have you guys in my toilets. Seriously, I'm not even kidding. Not for this interview. I use Hypo. Absolutely, it does.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Have fun.
Now available in 200 ml bigger sachet.
Hypo go Hypo.